And so we continue separating the body parts from the UV map that we've opened in UV Mapper, and one of the big parts is the head, which we've just located and resized. And now the map becomes a little clearer, and it's helpful to divide your map segments into different colors. As you can see, it makes it a lot easier to identify. Now, a lot of these body parts can be selected by vertex, so that you can select individual vertices and paint on those as well, separate those out and then paint on them later. But for now, we're just going to select the major body parts, and what we're going to end up doing is working on the eye, or actually we're just going to separate the eye map so that you can see what it'll look like, and you'll end up with something that looks like this by the time it's all said and done. And in the middle of this, you can see different areas for the cornea, for the iris, and for the pupil. And the area on the outside, the largest area, the area of white, is the eye white.